Alright guys, what's up? Back. The C10. Where it is. Got the bike sitting right there. I've been riding a lot. Weather's really nice out here in California now. But I want to talk to you guys about some new parts I got for the truck. This is the first time I order from Classic Chevy and GMC truck parts. It was kind of sketchy at first because it popped up on Google. But I gave it a shot. Usually I get my parts from LMC. And I got these the hardware, the motor mounts for the radiator support. And they're only 24 bucks. So I'm opening it up. Give me a catalog. Pretty cool. It's the same thing as LMC, but it got more colors, all color on that book, so that's pretty cool. They also give you all the hardware. They also have the instructions, because when I pulled it off, there was no reviving any parts of it. It all just crumbled when I pulled it off. So here's the diagram of how the mortar mount goes. So it's pretty simple. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 2 bolts at the end. So it's pretty simple. And the material is pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look cheap. And for 24 bucks, I think it's a great deal. I'm gonna throw these on, and we'll see how it goes. But I recommend to you guys the Classic Chevy and GMC truck parts. Just classicparts.com. Give them a shot, you know. So I might order some more stuff from there that I need. But I'm still waiting on the engine. I should have the engine in like a week or two. So I can't wait. I'm messing with all the electrical right now. I'm gonna take care of that and just have it ready. So when I get the engine, just drop it in. Get it ready for summer. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, peace.